Hello, boys and girls. This lesson is determining the theme and summarizing. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to determine the theme of a text and summarize it. I do. Let me show you my thinking on how to determine the theme of a text and also how to summarize a text. I am going to read the text, The Hare and the Tortoise, and show you how I think about the text as I read. It is helpful to preview the questions and read the text 3 times to fully understand it. Let's preview the questions. Number 1, what is the theme of this text? Be sure to use text evidence to support your answer. And 2 is write a short summary of the text. So the 2 things we're going to focus on today is the theme and then writing a summary. Oh, this is funny, boys and girls. So the tortoise, even though he was very, very slow, because the hare was so confident and full of himself, he took a nap and actually didn't wake up until it was too late. So I think this sentence here might be our theme. The race is not always to the swift. In other words, just because you're super fast does not mean you're always going to win. We are going to use this chart to find the theme of the text. And there are kind of 3 questions we're going to focus on as we think about what we just read. Let's try some together. We are going to read the text, The Fable of the Lion and the Hare. I will continue to show you how to determine the theme of a text and also how to summarize a text. It is helpful to preview the questions and read the text 3 times to fully understand it. Now let's focus on finding the theme. Again, when you're thinking about finding the theme, think about what you learned in the text, what the characters learned, and what are some of the things that the characters did that were right or wrong. So what were some of the right or wrong things the characters do or say in the story? Please pause the video now to fill that in. This next portion of the lesson is your turn, independent practice. Now you will read the text, The Lion and the Mouse. After you read, you will answer questions about the text. When you are done, you can check the answers on the next slide. This final portion of the lesson is extra practice. On the following slides, there's an extra practice passage and questions to practice what we just discussed. Remember, boys and girls, please preview those questions and always read the text 3 times to really, truly, fully get an understanding of it. Good luck.